Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome. If today is your first day of being here, you are welcome. Please don't forget to press that red button that says subscribe and press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload. My old subscribers, I love you all. I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen today. Story of motherhood shout out. Thanks, gorgeous. If you don't have her, please, I will drop a link down below. Try to watch her. She's lovely. Okay? If you've not been here before, know that this channel you can see anything anytime. So I'm going to be washing this plate. I leave this plate purposely because of this video. I don't normally leave my plate this way, but I have to leave it because of this video. So I'm starting from here. Enjoy your view, guys. You are welcome. I love you all, my old subscribers. Mwah. Thank you for coming here always. I love you all. God will continue to bless you in Jesus' name. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness. Enjoy your view, okay? This is where I always keep my plate. If you know you want to do this, I shout you out. Don't worry, just do it. Just a divine shout out. I shout anyone out that can be able to do this. I shout you all my friends out, okay? Enjoy your washing. Too much of hot water can burn your hands. This is for my coffee. When I'm going out in the morning, I put my coffee in here. So guys, that is it. Clean your kitchen and show it to us. Tag me to it, okay? Story of motherhood shout me out. So that's why I'm doing this. Don't say no, this I've not seen washing of plates in this place before. You're going to be seeing a lot of things, okay? This channel is big enough to contain all. As far as it's not something bad, guys, you're going to be seeing anything that is good, that can help, that can motivate you here in this channel, okay? So I love to wear hand glove when I'm cleaning. I love to wear hand glove. You have to have the one for toilet and the one for kitchen. You don't need to use same for both. It's not nice, guys. So I'm just cleaning, guys. Enjoy your view. Why I lift my hands, why I lift my voice, why I sing to you, Lord. So now I'm cleaning the wall. Let me tell you one secret, guys. When you have some dirty in your ties, you know what you use to clean it? Hydrogen peroxide. That is what I'm showing you right now. Hydrogen peroxide. It's very good, guys. There is no dirty cannot remove in your toilet, on your kitchen. You see, sometimes you see some dark patches on those lines in your kitchen or in your toilet. But me, I don't like it. With hydrogen peroxide, you can clean it away. But Story of Motherhood was using Coke. It was so shocking. So I've not tried that out. I wanted to try it today, but I don't have Coke with me at home. So I'm going to be trying it out next time. So she used it. She confirmed that it's very good. You can check it out. I will drop a link down below. So I'm cleaning everywhere, both here I have to clean everywhere. So this I spray to eat. Now I'm cleaning the microwave. My microwave is not that dirty, but I just have to clean because of this video. Because I normally clean my microwave and I don't play with my kitchen and my toilet. That is just it. So this is the oven. I'm cleaning the oven since I love to bake. The kitchen and the toilet, I don't play with it. If everywhere sometimes it's scattered, not the kitchen. So you see the end, the way it's beautiful. So now I'm cleaning the fridge. Those paper are where I kept when I have appointment. I used to gum it in the fridge so that I will not forget. So those are the appointment that I had that I gum in the fridge. So where I kept my fruits, this is the second microwave and my toasting machine. So I'm cleaning it. So that is it. Here is my fruit basket. I'm going to be cleaning the window now. I have running nose, guys. Don't worry about my voice, okay? So I'm spraying it on the glass. I'm spraying it. I wash it first before I clean it very properly. So I finished cleaning the window. You see the way it's beautiful after cleaning it. So guys, I enjoyed doing this story of motherhood. Thank you for shouting me out. I've not done this before in this channel, but I did not regret it. Okay, I love doing this. Thank you so much, sis. So guys, inspirational talks, a lot of things you'll be seeing it here. I'm cleaning my gas now. So I'm cleaning the gas and the rest cabinet. So guys, anything good you will see it here. That is just the truth. Anything good, okay? So I'm going to be mopping the floor. Before I do that, I love to dust all the wall up everywhere. I use this one to dust it. Some people use it to dance, but me, I use it to dust the up of the cupboard and the wall that I cannot clean with water. I use it to dust everything. So I dust everything. So now I'm going to be sweeping the floor. So I'm going to be sweeping. As I'm sweeping, enjoy your music, guys. I have a lovely music listing. Do you love the sound of the music? It's going to be like, I worship you, Lord, for you are wonderful, you are marvelous, you are mighty. I worship you, Lord, for you are holy, you got the whole world in your hand. Glory be to the Lord. Hallelujah. Glory be to the Lord. Hallelujah. So I'm mopping the floor right now. I'm mopping everywhere. So I finished sweeping it, so I mop. Ogenedo, Ogenedo, do. I finished mopping it, guys. So this is the hydrogen peroxide that I was saying about, guys. It's very good. You can see it in pharmacy, you can see it in the supermarket. Hydrogen peroxide. In the country where you live, just translate it. Hydrogen peroxide. When you have all those black things in your bathroom, just spray it. After some minutes, go and wash it off, guys. It's going to wipe away. So I'm cleaning the table in the kitchen. So I'm cleaning it right now. So that is it. I'm cleaning the chair. If I want to be doing them one by one, we will not live here. So I've done everything. I have to just make it fast, guys. So if I want to leave it the way I video it, you guys will not live here. So I'm through with all. I thank you all for watching. I love you all, guys. I love you. I love you all. I love you all. Thank you all. God bless you all. God bless you. So this is the plate I use for my microwave to cover my food. So I have to wash it. So I'm going to drop it back. So now I'm going to be putting my small foot mat back in the kitchen. If I don't have guys, as you can see, I am done. I'm through cleaning the kitchen. I cleaned the first microwave. I cleaned this. I clean everywhere. Guys, I'm true. I clean the all. Do you see the way everywhere is sparkling? I clean all here. Oh my God. Everywhere I clean the microwave. The vine did a great job. I clean the oven. Story of mother, what do you think, sis? I clean the window. So, how many kudos? How many kudos? What do you think? I clean here. What do you think? So I'm done cleaning. What do you think? Everything. I clean the plates. Thank God. Thank you. So guys, please go and support Story of Motherhood. Thanks for watching. Like and Story of Motherhood. If you don't have her, okay, please have her. Okay, go to our channel and subscribe to her. For coming today. Like, don't skip a heart. Okay, a heart. Like, subscribe, press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when